Hey, what is up guys, this is Yusuf here from TechDroids and welcome to a $400 gaming PC build for the month of August 2016. So $400 and the budget's increased from the last budget build that was $300. Now this is a gaming PC and an editing PC that will do 1080p to 4K editing and 1080p to Quad HD gaming and even multiple monitors. So without any further ado, let's get started with hashtag 400Tron. And all the parts mentioned in this video will be linked in the description below, so buy from our links and it'll give up the channel a small kickback and it helps the channel out a lot. So without any further ado, let's get started with 400Tron. Now for the case, I went with the Deepcool TX Mid Tower case. Now this is a $40 case and a really good case. Looks really good. Has a side tempered glass plate. It has cable management slots inside, supports USB 3 and looks really good for the 400Tron and is under the budget. Costs only 40 bucks. So if you're getting this case in your country, then grab this deal. Don't wait for it. So for the CPU, I went with the Intel Pentium G4500 3.5 GHz 6th generation processor. Now this supports DDR4, 4K and even your 4K at 60 Hz. And this is really good CPU. It's in the new Pentium series, will do gaming really well, handles everything really good and is in the budget. Costs only 75.18 bucks and is available on Amazon. So a really good CPU for our 400Tron. Now for the motherboard, I went with the Gigabyte H110M. Supports USB 3, DDR4 and is LG 1151. That means our Intel G4500 fits really snug in there and works like a champ. So this motherboard costs 47 bucks, is available on Amazon and does the job for our 400Tron. Now in terms of RAM, I went with two 4GB sticks of Kingston HyperX Fury Edition DDR4 2133 MHz and these cost $39.99 bucks. Really good pair of sticks, dual channel, that means you get better performance while gaming and video edit. Now for the power supply, I went with the EVGA 430W 80+ certified power supply to power the graphic card, the CPU and the RAM. Now the graphics card that we have chosen in this video, it requires at least 400 watts of power supply, so the 430W is the perfect choice. It costs only 30 bucks, stays in the budget and will power 400Tron. As always, I went with the Western Digital Blue 1TB SATA 7200 RPM hard drive. Costs 50 bucks, gives you 1 TB of storage and does the job as always. Now at this point, after adding up all the equipments, excluding the graphics card, we are at 282.14 or 282.14 bucks and we still have 118 bucks left in our pocket. So now comes the time for the champ, the star of the PC, the star of 400Tron and everything that makes up this 400Tron, a gaming PC. And for the graphics card, I went with the EVGA GeForce GTX 750 Ti Superclocked Edition, 2GB of DDR5 memory and 128-bit connection and a really good graphics card, Superclocked Edition. That means it'll get you a really good base clock and a boost clock. Works really good, is in the budget, costs only 114 bucks and this completes the 400Tron. Now if you like this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share this video if you have any PC lovers around you, and just comment down below if you have any feedback or suggestions. And that has been it for this video. This is Yusuf from TechDroids and I'm signing out.